Setting up an email contest campaign. Hey there, everyone. We have been extensively talking about how the best way to encourage people to join your email lists is by incentivizing them with a reward. You might have noticed that it has become increasingly trendy to attract people to follow a business with a very engaging type of reward: giveaways. The appeal of giveaways is in the thrill of the opportunity that they give people to get a premium-priced good for free. And they are being used with great results by email marketers to generate lots of subscriber engagement that always end up converted into purchases later on. We want you to learn how to run your own email contests. And in this video, we are going to show you how to do it affordably, quickly, and easily. First, you will need to join a marketing platform that allows you to run contests. And we recommend you to join Gleam, a free-to-use contest marketing platform. You will simply have to go to gleam.io on your browser, to click on Sign Up, and then to complete the registration process. Once you sign up, you will be able to log in and create awesome contests the easy way. As you can see, there are several types of contests that you can run. And in this video, we're going to show you how to set up an email contest that you can use to promote your business and to encourage subscribers to engage repeatedly with your content. Start by clicking on the New Competition button. Now enter the name of your contest in the name field. We recommend you to always use a combination of the name of the prize that you are going to give away and the action required to enter the contest. In our case, we're going to name it Visit Us and win an Easy Touch Test Strips Tri-Pack. Now click on the User Details tab and paste your Facebook page's URL in the Allow Users to Like a Facebook Page field. Now click on the How to Enter tab and select the Visit a Page option. In the title field, enter an actionable phrase to tell your subscribers to click through the link. In our case, we're simply going to use the name of the contest here. Now check the mandatory and daily entry options to increase the chances of your email competition being forwarded to others. Now enter your website's URL in the Link URL field. Lastly, check the Automatically Complete option to continue. Now click on the Prize tab and enter the name of your prize in the Name Title field, and enter the number of winners in the Number of Winners field. Now click on Save to finish setting up your contest. On the following page, click on the URL located under Landing Page and then copy the landing page URL when you're redirected to it. Now you will have to set up an email campaign to forward the contest to your subscribers. In our case, we're going to start by going to our MailChimp account. Once there, we're going to click on Create Campaign and then on the Create an Email option. Now we are going to name our campaign, and then we'll click on Begin to start creating our email. First, we're going to click on Add Recipients. Then we're going to click on the Choose a List menu to select our subscriber list. We are going to send this campaign to all subscribers in our list, so we click on Save to continue. Now we are going to click on Add Subject to add our subject line. For this campaign, we're going to add the name of our Gleam contest as our subject line. Now we save, and then click on Add From to add the campaign's sender's name and email address. We save again, and then click on Design Email. On the Select Template page, we're going to click on the Themes tab to look for a theme that fits our contest. So we select the Competition Invitation theme. Now what we will have to do is to click on the Edit buttons corresponding to each block in the design to replace the logo and the image with our brand logo and the image of our prize using the Replace option. Now we are going to edit the placeholder text to enter our email contest copy. Lastly, we're going to click on the Enter Now button to add our contest URL in the web address field. Now we will click on Save and Close to continue. Now that we are finished setting up this campaign, we will have to schedule it or send it right away. For this example case, we're going to simply send it off immediately. So we simply click on Send and then on Send Now to forward it to our subscribers. And that is it. Collecting high-quality contact data. Hey there, folks! Now that you know that you can segment your subscribers according to their attributes, we would like to show you a way to take segmentation to the next level: contact data collection. Data collection is easier to do than it sounds, and you'll only have to program additional data fields into your sign-up forms. These additional data fields will allow you to better target your subscriber with highly personalized campaigns. We're going to show you how to collect data using MailChimp, but you should be able to do it on a different email marketing platform by using the Sign-up Form Manager. So we're going to start from our MailChimp dashboard, and from there, we're going to click on the List tab. Now we are going to click on the drop-down menu corresponding to our main subscriber list, and we are going to click on the Sign Up Forms option. On the following page, we are going to click on the Select button corresponding to the Form Builder option. Now, what we'll do in this section is to add new types of data fields to the sign-up forms that we send to subscribers in this list and to subscribers added to segments within this list. Okay, so because we want to collect data that can help us to better segment our subscribers, we're going to add data fields that hint at a person's demographic information and possible financial profiling based on zip code. So the additional data fields that we're going to add are birthday, address, zip code, phone, and website. These are not required fields as we're not going to ask for them in all subsequent sign-up forms. What we will do with them instead is to use them for a different campaign where we can, for example, ask our subscribers to fill in an optional survey in exchange for a deep discount or a prize of their choosing. And that is it. Using segmentation to persuade hard-to-get leads. Hello there, everyone. Some of your subscribers will play hard to get. That is a reality. And the longer they stay in your list without engaging with your emails, the more that they will affect your deliverability rates. That is why we are going to show you how to use segmentation. Segmentation is the action of dividing your subscribers into segments according to their behavior. In this video, we are going to focus on subscribers that do not open your emails. We are going to start on our MailChimp dashboard. From here, we are going to click on the List tab located on the top left-hand menu bar. Once there, we are going to select a list from where we can segment non-opening subscribers. The idea behind this strategy is that once you have added them to a different segment, you can repurpose the emails that you have previously sent them with different subject lines and offers. Okay. So once we identify our target list, we'll simply click on its corresponding drop-down menu, and then we will click on the Manage Contacts option. On the following page, we're going to look for the Segments option, and we're going to click on it. On the following page, we're going to click on the Create Segment button. All right, so on this page, we're going to start by selecting All in the Contacts Match menu. Now, in the menus below, we're going to select the following options: Campaign Activity, Did Not Open, and all of the last 5 campaigns. Now we're going to click on Preview Segment. This will show us which subscribers meet our target conditions. Now we are simply going to click on Save as Segment. Now we are going to name this new segment. Now we'll click on Save. And that is it. Now we have a segment of subscribers that we can remarket to with repurposed email campaigns. Hey there, everyone, and welcome to Section 2 of our Email Marketing Video Training Series, Email Marketing Step by Step, where we are going to teach you how to easily get started with email marketing the right way. From recommending you the best email marketing tools to showing you how to actually set up an email marketing campaign the easy way, we have designed this section with the intention of giving you the exact guidelines that you'll need to follow in order to create your first email marketing campaign faster than you would imagine it was possible to. Contents in this section include finding the right email marketing tool, the anatomy of a marketing email, creating a lead magnet, setting up your first email marketing campaign, setting up a squeeze page, sending traffic to your squeeze page. So let's start by solving the very first obstacle that you'll face: finding the right email marketing tool for you. Finding the right email marketing tool. With so many alternatives on the market, it can be tough to find the one that is right to fulfill your needs and goals without spending a small fortune on trying them all, one by one. But in this video, we are going to show you what are the best options available and why they stand out. Here are our top picks. MailChimp. We're going to start by recommending what is perhaps the easiest one to get started with, and it is, in fact, the one that we will be using to execute our email marketing tasks throughout this training. It is free to get started, and it offers its users a campaign builder that makes it easier to create campaigns that suit your message. MailChimp will also allow you to automate your email marketing efforts with pre-built marketing automation tools that will help you make room for easier to integrate strategies and to put your data to work with personalized campaigns and 3 advertising channels that you can leverage to reach new customers. Aweber. Aweber is a recognized email marketing platform that has helped lots of big and small businesses to find their audience, get more customers, and reach their goals. Its powerful features include marketing funnel automation, built-in HTML product promotion and newsletter email templates, high-converting sign-up forms, multiple integrations, list importing capabilities, email marketing tracking, and subscriber management options. Constant Contact. Constant Contact is one of the most beginner-friendly email marketing tools available on the market right now. Features such as professional customizable templates, automated email series, behavior-triggered messages, automated list management, and real-time tracking tools will let you send great-looking emails that drive big results in no time. GetResponse. GetResponse is an email marketing platform that describes itself as an all-in-one platform designed to help you grow your business because it offers you access to a complete suite of marketing channels and tools to complement your email marketing efforts. This complete marketing platform will let you use email marketing features that will allow you to grow your lists, increase conversions, and optimize audience engagement with beautifully designed email autoresponders, high-converting web forms, laser-sharp segmentation, and unique delivery tools. To top it off, it will also let you create and publish high-converting squeeze pages and promo pages the easy way with a drag-and-drop editor. You'll also be able to enhance your customer communications beyond email with a complete webinar marketing solution that will allow you to get more leads, conversions, and sales. Lastly, it will allow you to simplify your efforts by letting you plan, build, and manage individual customer journeys with marketing automation. ConvertKit. ConvertKit is another powerful email marketing platform that mostly serves professional bloggers, writers, authors, and dedicated online marketers. It is mainly designed to allow you to offer content upgrades with any sign-up forms and to manage autoresponder series for high-converting drip email campaigns. Some of its features include easy-to-embed, customizable opt-in forms that can help you to turn your casual readers into customers, a reporting dashboard that displays subscriber data and sign-up conversions, automated email workflows, drag-and-drop sequence builder, tag-based segmentation, and one-off broadcasts. Alrighty then, now that you've seen the best the market has to offer, make sure to pick the one that best suits your business goals as well as your personal needs. Next up, we will be showing you how a marketing email is structured, so make sure to tune in.